Pre-intermediate 17. The benefits of volunteering. Volunteering is the act of giving your time and energy to help others without expecting any financial reward. Many people volunteer in their local communities by working at food banks, helping in animal shelters, or teaching children. While the primary goal of volunteering is to help those in need, the volunteers themselves also gain a lot from the experience. Firstly, volunteering provides a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Knowing that you have made a positive difference in someone's life can greatly improve your happiness and reduce feelings of depression or stress. Secondly, volunteering is an excellent way to gain new skills and work experience. It allows you to practice leadership, teamwork, and problem solving in a real-world environment. This can be very beneficial for students or people looking for a new career. Furthermore, volunteering helps to expand your social circle. You meet people from different walks of life who share your values and passion for helping others. This strengthens the social bonds within a community and makes it a better place to live. Whether you have an hour a week or a whole day, volunteering is a rewarding experience that benefits everyone involved. It reminds us of the importance of kindness and cooperation in a busy world.